everyone. I'm going to make some fab donut earrings today. I love these. These are made of resin. We've got some stainless steel earring wires and two 6mm jump rings, two pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings, and a jewellery card. We also need a jump ring. These necklaces are also stainless steel, 20 inches in length, and I sell these on my website, which I'll link below for you. These have been reduced down again to only 90p. Now you'll notice on here the loops are all flat. So when I attach the jump ring, the earring is going to sit this way, which I don't want it to do. So I'm just first of all going to turn those so they're pointing upwards. I'll just show you what I mean. We want it that way instead of sideways. I'm just going to take this one out. Okay, there's our chain. So very simple to do. Now that these are facing upwards, there's our earring wire, and the jump ring just goes through both of them. So the charm will sit nicely on the earlobe. So we take a jump ring. I'll link a video all about jump rings. So we attach the charm, and then we want the earring. This is your earlobe. We want it this way. There we go. They look almost good enough to eat. So we take another jump ring. Touch the charm again this way into the earlobe, and then close. So we'll just attach these to the earring card. And again, make sure that's up. Okay, so we're going to make a matching necklace. So we open the jump ring. And then we're just going to put the necklace chain through the slit as well, so it slides. Close. Just do this up. And there's our necklace chain. So what I can do is just attach it to here for now. There we are. So much fun. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button below. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.